look similar? Exactly. Today I created this particular look from Kylie Jenner and I think it turned out stunning. And in this video I've shown you guys how to recreate this look super easily. I know it looks very intricate, but trust me, it's not. And if you have this palette from Praush, this is all I used. My whole face is only from Praush Beauty. And I forgot to introduce myself. Hi, I'm Megha Mukherjee. I'm an internationally certified makeup artist and today I'm here to teach you Miss Jenner's look.
Starting off with their mattifying gel primer. This is a very good silicone primer that literally fills up your pores. That is why I'm applying it only on the areas I want to get rid of pores. This beauty blender is literally the best I have ever used. You can see how seamless and how fast it blends everything. After the foundation, it's definitely time for the concealer, and again I'm going in with this sponge because I wanted that seamless finish. Taking P03 and two of those blushes. So first I applied Coral Crunch because it gave a really good warmth, and the pink one is Raspberry Tart. This particular brush is so good for the bronzers. As you can see, it just looks so soft. Just imagine how soft it is in real life. Of course, for the eyeshadow I went in with the one and only Showstopper palette. All the brushes will be on the screen so you can see what exactly I am doing, also the shades. So first of all I took the shade, and this is only for the crease. I love this shade as a transition one. Then I'm taking this shade. The star of this look would be this particular brush that I'm using. It made the whole lining go so smooth. If it was any other brush, I'm pretty sure it would have been much more difficult. We'll leave it at that, and then we'll go and transfer the gold to our lids. It's such a beautiful wet gold shade. All you have to do is just fill in the space and then use your fingers for that pop of gold. Now it's time to define the outer line, but now with a pencil brush. This will give a really nice smudged look, and all you have to do is just trace on the line that you have made earlier. This makes the process really easy. Now let's come to the lower lash line. We are going to use the same shade of brown and a little bit of gold in the inner corner. Then I'm going to use this eyeliner. I'm so impressed by this. The tip is so fine. You can literally get the sharpest lines with this one. As you can see, I have done it here. Also, I've extended my inner corners, and I did not really have to do a lot because the wand was so thin. To finish off, of course, I'll apply some mascara and then put on some eyelashes. For my lips, I'm going to go in with a brown lip liner first because of course we are doing Kylie, so we have to do her lips too. So brown liner goes, and then this lip shade was literally the perfect one. It's called Caramel Brunch 112. This was the perfect shade, and that is the look.
So that was the look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I would love it if you guys recreate it. And yeah, I'm really happy how it turned out. I'll see you guys hopefully next time. Till then.